Well, what's up, guys? Back in our video, and today we're playing BemNG, and I just had a new update, the 0.36. It was 0.35, but it was 0.36. Added a whole bunch of stuff. If we go in here, vehicles, so it refreshed the Burnside Special, added a good amount of, I think, new, you know, configs. Then the Gravel MD series, it added a bus. Armored vehicle. That's what we're going to be playing with today. We're going to be playing with the MD-70 armored bank truck, and yeah, and I had a school bus, prison bus. Then the last refresh vehicle was the, I don't know how to say this name, but I added a whole bunch of configs. I'm pretty sure these are mods, but yeah, a whole bunch of new configs. And last update was, I think, or is it a refresh of this? It added a whole bunch of, new configs and a hatchback version. But now we got this version. So got set up. So I'm in this red truck here. Then we got a V8 Road Sport here, a Jeep, and a van. Then we got the armored truck up here. The way I set it up is that I went to this vehicle. I did free roam actions. AI chased me on this vehicle. Then I went to this vehicle, hit AI flee. Then I went over the fleet and stuff and chasing that vehicle. Then I just respawned in that vehicle. So it's kind of how it works. And I'm paused right now. But yeah, let's get into this vehicle and let's install our goals to stop the armed truck. And yeah, let's do this. So yeah, everything's set up. I should maybe add vehicle, but it's fine. But yeah, updates really nice. Always nice to have updates. Yeah, but and it's armored, so like it's gonna be harder to take down. So see, rammed in. See, didn't even really damaged it. Look up there. Yeah, the main things are good. Oh, right, yeah. See, really damage. Oh, spin out. Okay. So we have to stop it. So I hope you guys are having a good day. Woke up this morning, saw this update. See, I did barely any damage, bro. Like it's hard, it's an actual. You can put money into it. Like in the back, I think it's for like 36 minutes. It's really hard to stop it, bro. If you spin it out, well, it's kind of losing control, going off. Bro, can this Jeep move? Bro. Good crash. No, I think I'm right. Yep. See, but oh my god. I mean, I guess that is the point for AI. Yeah, I did try to do it before, like, testing and stuff. Like, I did try to do it before. I just got rammed in the back, bro. I did try to do it before with, just normal beeping and that, but it wasn't really that fun. Because, yeah. But I honestly might add another vehicle, like another truck or van. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm pausing. Okay. Let's maybe add another truck. This is a truck right now. Or maybe this vehicle. Adventure, no. This is that vehicle. This one might be good. It has like a pull bar, or a bull bar, whatever it's called. Could probably put you like right here. So they're gonna go off, we can just reset. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna actually have to set up again. So yeah, it doesn't really matter. Okay. Got okay, this is a new area for this car. Okay. Now what we gotta do, so you can hit I send this to Z for all actions, AI. We're gonna stop it for now. And then okay, so then we're gonna go to this car. This truck. Then drives and chase me. Actually gotta pause first, chase me. Then we're gonna go to this car. And free roam actions, AI, fleet. Then we gotta spawn this one back. And there probably is a better way to do it, but this is the best way I found to do it. So we go down here. I could use one of my configs because I have these configs. Because I made those. I feel like it's gonna be too powerful. So you just got the piece over here. Okay, then it should be able to work. Yeah. Oh my god, bro. Is it going? I can't tell if it's going or not. Okay, that's going. Are you guys working? Are you guys planned? Oh my god, you spin down. That's actually. I feel like when you add a vehicle, it spins like a whole lot harder. Okay, we're good. Okay, let's get this. Map. Oh, what the? What? We're like not. I don't think we're chasing. What? Wait, what? 1 second, let me see. I think we're chasing it. Where is it? Okay. Okay, now I think we should be able to chase. Then free roam, AI, then chase. Firstly, let's see. Where are you going? Okay, now they're chasing. Okay, now we have to do this and this. And okay. Oh, okay, so what you need to do, so you need to get your vehicle choice. You need to spawn it, hit the AI flee, then hit AI chase. That's how you do it. Then you spawn your vehicle again. Guys, stop it. Bro, no, legit, with any other car. I'm gonna restart it. No, with any other car. I'm gonna hit that, bro. The truck, bro, it would have just died. Just straight up on die. Like, watch this. We're gonna slower now. Probably have to crash. Yeah. Bro, can you go? Got this one. Got the police cruiser. Yeah, there's definitely a crash. Gotta respawn all these damn vehicles. Where's the... Okay, then I think they should be fine now. Oh damn! Yeah, hit him, get him! Should be fine now. Oh my god, my car. Oh my god, we got back up there. Go get him back up. No, I can't tell. How are you behind now? Don't try to get to all vehicles, you're technically the fastest. Oh my god, what is happening? They're taking each other out. Oh, a little bro bounced. See the truck. I think we got it. Oh yeah, but God, it's so off here. Wow. Oh, let's go away. But yeah, it's a cool update. I'll check it out if you have the game. Or if you don't have the game, I'll still buy it. Because it's a really good game. The graphics are good. Yeah, like, yeah, it has a good amount of wraps. And yeah, so I'll buy the game. If you don't have it, but if you do have it, they are install it. The game's in love. I think my car works on one. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. And I might go see you very soon. I don't know. See you guys.